So many times, a lot of patients will come in and say, "Hey, I got bad teeth because of mom, my dad, my grandpa, what have you. It's genetic." Yeah, there's definitely a genetic component of how we develop it in life. However, this is some good news. Not all genes that we have in our body, our genetic code, have to be turned on or expressed. They don't, right? So the vast majority of people can actually not have the gum disease or tooth issues that their parents may have by simply making some alternate decisions to avoid all the different stresses that we have talked about. The chemical stresses, the environmental type of stresses, the physical stresses, right? Home hygiene care. You understand what you have to do at this point in time, right? I'm a broken record. Other dentists are broken records. You got to come see us, the dentist, the most favorite place in the world besides Disneyland, or Disney World. I get it. However, just know the good news is that a lot of our genes that were passed down from our parents to our from our grandparents, they don't have to be expressed. The reason why I have had cavities is because my mom, my dad gave me Pepsi and Snicker bars, and that was it. And I didn't always go to the dentist every 6 months. See, those were things that decisions that were made that influenced my environment of my mouth, which gave me cavities. Good news, I don't got to do that anymore. I can change that whole script and express only the good genes and not those bad genes. So there, you have it. From now on, take responsibility, make the right decisions, and you're going to have a healthy mouth, teeth, gums, the whole 9 yards for a beautiful smile. All right?